Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play World Cup events, World Cup 22 Qatar in FIFA Mobile. So what you need to do is tap the live events. So this one, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022, and it expire in 14 days, 2 weeks from now. I know it's a bit too late to play this FIFA World Cup Qatar, but nothing's wrong with it to play this World Cup event. Maybe if you get bored with the same event or same daily training, you can try this FIFA World Cup Qatar. So I'm playing an amateur, difficulty amateur. Let's see what the rewards I've got. If I'm amateur, the champion will be granted with 100,000 FIFA coins. Let's see if I'm just legendary, will be rewards 500,000 FIFA credit. So I'm using this France team. I think it's the most strong team when the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 held. But unfortunately, France didn't win the World Cup because of Lionel Messi penalty kick. So give it a try. Play this live event, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2020 in FIFA Mobile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.